Nasal irrigation could be the best thing that you could do. If you wake up in the morning with a stuffy nose, there's something causing that. It could be pollen, it could be infection, it could be particulate matter, it could be cat dander, it could be dog dander, it could be dust from your pillow. It could be anything. And nasal irrigation can wash out substances that are sitting in the nose ready to cause you trouble. You put the right amount of salt in. There has to be instructions. You put the right amount of sterile water that's warm to the right temperature, and then you screw on the top. If you're not careful, if you're holding on to this and screwing on the top, it'll start squirting out. But you'll learn. You have to put your finger on top and then screw it on this way. The salt solutions are easily dissolved, and they come into solution very, very easily. Now we're ready for this to work. Make this something that you do not fast. Make it sure that you're doing something that you take time to help your nose, to help improve it, so that you'll have the best nose of the day. A rose for a nose rather than a lemon for a nose. You don't want a lemon for a nose. So we've got the water in here. We lean over the sink. We put this in the nose, and we gently squeeze. Squeeze too hard. The nice thing I like about this is you can control the speed of the water that comes out as it goes from one side of the nose out the other into the sink. If you say, wow, that was terrible, go right to the other side. When you go to the other side, you do the same thing. You start squeezing, goes in this side, comes out the other. 5 minutes later, hey, my nose really feels good. I'm glad I did that. It wasn't as bad as I thought. Well, maybe we can do the same thing tomorrow morning. I'll see you then. That's the tip of the day from Dr. Bob. I hope it makes your day better.